So find the area of the trapezium below. So your solution would be this one. Area for the trapezium equals to A plus B all over 2 times, of course, the height, or equals to 24 plus 36 all over 2, of course, times the height of 40. So the area would be equivalent to 1,200 meters squared. A wire in the shape of a rectangle of length 80 cm and breadth 20 cm is rebent to form a square. So what will be the measure of its side? So solution is that the perimeter of this rectangle, so perimeter of the rectangle equivalent to 80 plus 80 plus 20 plus 20, or the perimeter would be equivalent to 200 centimeter, but it is rebent this one into a rectangle, the square the same length, but the sides are equal. So mark that one X there, X. So you have that one perimeter equals to 4x. Your total length perimeter is 200 equals to 4 times x. Your x equals to 50 centimeters. So the side, each side should measure 50 centimeters square. A painting is painted in the cardboard 20 centimeter. That's 120 centimeter. Then you have that one 14 centimeter wide, but there's a margin of 2 centimeter along each of its sides. So find the total area of this margin, this one. Find the total area. So what you do, that one is the total area of that one would be the margin would be the difference of this 20 by 14 and the inside area of this picture. So the total area of the margin of this picture, you try to solve this one. So draw the figure of the resulting figure, that one. So this one is not drawn to scale, so just the view on the problem. So this one is 20 centimeter. So this length here would be 20, this one is 2, so we have that one 16 centimeter. Since this one is 14 centimeter, so this length would be 14 minus 4. So that one is 10 centimeter. So original area, A, make that one A1 equals to 20 times 14. So 20 times 14, you have 280 centimeters squared. Whereas the area of the picture, area of picture equivalent to that one, make that one A2, or make that one A2 equals to 16 times 10, or equals to 160 centimeters squared. So total area of this So that one, area of margin should be equivalent to 280 minus 160 be equivalent to 120 centimeters squared. So this one, find the area of the canvas shown below. So this one is 14, 10, 18, 14. You have that one is 90. What you do that one is you have to make that one to two. This one make that one a triangle. So there will be two triangles. So make that one as A1. That one is A2. So 90, you have that one. This one could be solved by Pythagorean. Let that one to be x. Pythagorean theorem, you have that one. X squared equals to 10 squared plus 14 squared. Or x equals square root of 100 plus yung 14 squared. So 196. So 196. So your x would be equivalent to 17.2 meters. 17.2 meters. So your A1 equals to 1/2 BH. Equals to 1/2. Your base is 10. Your height is 14. So your area 1 would be equivalent to 70 meters squared. So 70 meters squared. Whereas your A2 would be equivalent to the square root of S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Hero's formula. So where S is equals to 18 plus 14 plus your X 17.2 all over 2. So this one equivalent to 24.6. 24.6. This one is meter. So E2 would be equivalent to 24.6 times 24.6 minus, this one is 18, minus 18, 24.6 minus 14, 24.6 minus 17.2 for the Hero's formula. If you're going to solve this one, the answer here is 112.85. 112.85 meters squared. So your area total equivalent to A1 plus A2, or simply 70 plus 112.85. So you have that one 182.85 meters squared. So this is the total area of this figure, this one. You have to make two triangles. The one could be solved by 1/2 bh, this one because 90 degrees. This one, three sides given, but solve first the x hypotenuse of the first triangle. Once you have x, the value of x, you use the Hero's formula on three sides triangle. So you add those two areas, you got a total of 182.85 meters. So you have to study this one because our quiz next meeting would be similar to this problem. So try to download on the YouTube and have this one subscribe on the YouTube again.